This upon us, of course, and we are in Cleveland for the MAC tournament.
And while most of the focus may be on basketball, that's not the only thing. Steve Iwanek joins us live. Steve, who else is sharing the spotlight tonight?
Yeah, Jeff and Mel, when you get to a venue in a tournament like this, of course, the spotlight is put on the game itself, basketball. But a large part of what makes the game day experience so fun for many fans is the added element of a band. And for Toledo Rocket fans, their band is always in the spotlight when it comes to this kind of tournament. Now, both the men's and women's teams are the #1 seeds, which means as long as they stay in the tournament, when we start each day and play the national anthem, the Rocket Marching Band is going to get the honor of doing so. It may seem silly, but while most will look past it, the honor to play the Star Spangled Banner to start each day is something that the band cherishes.
It's a great opportunity for all the students. They put in a lot of time and hours before the season starts, a lot of time and dedication throughout the season, just cheering on the Rockets. And so this is a great payoff for all of that. 27 home games combined between the men and the women that we're able to be a part of. And so it's just a great opportunity to be able to open the tournament the way we do and support our Rockets deep into the tournament every year.
So the Rocket Pep Band, they have their work cut out for them potentially this week with, like I said, both the men's and women's teams being the 1 seed, but they're grateful to do it because they can add to their fan base's experience. Reporting live in Cleveland, Steve Iwanek, WTOL 11. Back to you guys.